Building a reliable security system can get expensive very quickly, especially when you start adding up the cost of high-end cameras. But what if you could get the rock-solid reliability of a premium system without breaking the bank? The secret is combining a high-quality Dahua DVR or NVR with budget-friendly ICSee IP cameras. By doing this, you let the powerful Dahua hardware handle the critical jobs like heavy video processing, stable recording, and remote viewing, while using incredibly affordable ICSee cameras just to capture the images. It is the ultimate smart budget security setup. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to connect ICSee IP cameras to Dahua DVRs and NVRs step by step so you can save money without sacrificing your peace of mind. If you are using a Dahua NVR, you can skip this first step, but if you are using a Dahua DVR, the very first thing you need to do is change it to IP mode. This depends entirely on your specific model, so that it can actually accept IP cameras. Some Dahua models are hybrid, meaning they allow you to use analog cameras and IP cameras at the exact same time. If that is your case, and you want to mix both technologies, you will simply use the camera registration option later on. However, if you want to use only IP cameras, or if your specific DVR does not support a hybrid setup, you must change the device mode to IP. To do this, you need to access the main menu. Right-click anywhere on the screen to bring up the floating menu, and then select Main Menu. If the system asks for a password, make sure you have selected the administrator user. Type in your password and click OK. Now you're looking at the main system interface. The next step is to configure the channels. Click on the camera button inside the settings section to open up your camera configurations. Look for the option called Channel Type on the left menu. Once the channel definition screen opens, you will see columns for different camera types. Go ahead and check all the boxes under the IP column. After doing that, click Apply at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation dialog box will pop up, so click OK to confirm your changes. Your Dahua DVR will now reboot to apply the new network configuration. Once the device restarts, right-click and access the main menu one more time. And click on Camera. You will land right on the Registration tab. Look at the top section of this screen. If the IP address of your ICSee camera is not showing up automatically, do not panic. Simply click on the IP search button so the Dahua recorder can actively scan your local network for the camera. For this to work successfully, remember that both your Dahua recorder and your ICSee camera must be connected to the exact same network router. As soon as the system locates the camera on your network, its IP address will appear in that top list. To add the camera, you can simply double-click on its IP address. If you are setting up multiple ICSee cameras at once, you can check the boxes next to all of them and click the Add button. Once added, the cameras will move down to the bottom list on the screen. If the configuration is successful, the status icon will turn green, indicating that the connection is online, and the live video feed will immediately appear on its assigned channel on your monitor. Keep in mind that this exact same procedure can be used to add almost any brand or model of IP camera to your Dahua device, thanks to universal protocols. We truly hope this video was helpful and that you successfully connected your equipment following these steps. If you ran into any issues or have any questions about the setup, just leave a comment down below. And if you need extra professional assistance, you can easily contact our specialized technical support team through the information provided in the description and in the pinned comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security system tutorials. God bless you.